Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through how to enter your 1099 forms in TurboTax in a simple and accurate way. Start by signing into your TurboTax account and opening your current return. From the main dashboard, go to the Wages and Income section and look for the 1099 category that matches your form, such as 1099 NEC, 1099 MISC, or 1099 INT. Click Add and choose whether you want to import your form or enter it manually. If you're typing it in, carefully enter all the details exactly as they appear, including payer information and the income amounts. Take your time here, since even small mistakes can affect your taxes. After entering the form, TurboTax will ask a few follow-up questions to categorize your income correctly, so answer based on your situation. Once you finish, review everything on the summary screen to make sure it's accurate, and your 1099 is now successfully added to your return. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.